Hi everyone, welcome back. I'll continue perimeter and area of plane figures. In previous video I had done perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of square, equilateral triangle, hexagon, and then I had done few sums. I'll be doing some more sums to make you understand the application of the formulae. Question number 6. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is, book has 1.6, I'll change it, let's take it as 2.5. So side is represented by A, 2.5 centimeter, or meter, let's take it as meter. Question says that calculate perimeter. So perimeter of square is calculated by the formula 4A. A stands for side. 4 multiplied by 2.5. You do the multiplication at the side. 2.5 multiplies 4. 0, 8, 9, 10. It is 10 meter is the perimeter of square. Question number 7 is similar. No, it says that find the side of a square whose perimeter is given. Let's do one calculation. Perimeter is given, which is equals to 5 meter. Question says that calculate the side. So we write down the formula. Perimeter is equals to 4A. Perimeter is 5. 4A. You have to calculate side. 5 divides by 4 is equals to A. Therefore, A is equals to divide 5 by 4. It is 1.25 meter. So you can do calculation with another value. Perimeter is suppose 25 meter. Find side. You can take any value and do the calculation. You can write the answer in mixed fraction or you can leave it in decimal. Look at the application of perimeter. Question number 9 is important question. A rectangular field has length. Length is given, which is equals to 160 meter, and breadth is given 120 meter. Question says that find the perimeter of the field. So perimeter of the field twice length plus breadth. 2 length is 160 plus breadth is 120. Add it up. 2 into 280. Multiply this 0, 6, 4, 5, 560 meter. This is the first answer. Second one, question tells you to find the length of the fence required to enclose the field. Length of fence is equal to perimeter, because that rectangular field has to be fenced all around. So we will be putting fencing on the length and it has to be kept on the breadth, all sides. Fencing. So this fencing's length is nothing but it is perimeter, and we know the perimeter is 560 meter. Third part, question tells you that to calculate the cost of fencing. So cost of fencing. Cost of fencing is equal to, use the simple step, length of fencing or fence multiplied by rate. At what rate we are buying it? It is 560 meter length and 1 meter costs 80 rupees. So you multiply this, you will get the cost of the fencing in rupees. Question number 10 now. Similar question, but it is for the square. So I'll change the value and then do the calculation. Each side of a plot of land 55 meter, which is in form of a square. Find the cost of fencing the plot at the rate of 32 meter. So each side I'll change it to say 65 meter, and rate of fencing we'll use it later on. So we calculate first one, perimeter. Perimeter of square is 4A. 4 multiplied by 65. 26 into 4 is 24. 26 meter. Then we write length of fence is equal to perimeter, because it has to be put all around. So perimeter is equals to the length of the fence, 260 meter. Now cost of fencing, it is length of fence multiplied by rate, 260 multiplied by, suppose we are buying it for 25 rupees per meter. You multiply this, you get the cost of fencing. Similarly, you have question number 11. This is slightly confusing. You need to read the question properly and then solve it. Question says that each side of square field is 70 meter. 70 meter, 70 meter, 70 meter, 70 meter. How much distance will a boy walk in order to make one round? So suppose he's starting from A. He covers 70, 70, 70, 70 and come back to A. So distance covered by the boy is equal to perimeter of square. Distance covered in one round is equals to perimeter, because he is covering all the sides. It is 4 into A. 4 multiplied by 70. 280 meter. In one round he is covering 280 meter. Question says that calculate the distance in 8 rounds. Distance covered in 8 rounds. In one round he covers 280 meter. In 8 rounds he'll cover more, so you multiply by 8. 0, 8 into 8 is 64, 6, 16, 6, 22. He covers 2240 meter distance in 8 rounds. There are some more sums. I'll be doing those sums in next video. It'll be quite long and then lengthy. Thank you very much. Stay safe.